In this video, I'll demonstrate how to configure a custom error page to be displayed in the case that client requests some page or routes that doesn't exist on the server. The video, of course, is focused on the OpenLiteSpeed web server configured via the administration GUI using Chrome. As a note, I found that Firefox was basically giving me a lot of GUI level errors. In the demonstration, you're going to see warnings about not secure. This is simply because the admin GUI is using a self-signed certificate and the main website itself is using HTTP instead of HTTPS to make this simpler. We have a small static website configured with some HTML and CSS. The website is a simple cat cafe style site. The website has a landing page plus a menu page. There's also this loyalty points link that we can click on, but it appears that the page is missing or the link is incorrectly configured. The displays page shows the 404 not found, and on this particular page you can see from the footer that this is the default page provided by OpenLiteSpeed. Most people designing websites do not like to have this type of plain error page and would like to keep everything, including problem pages, on the same theme for branding purposes. I've already written up a small themed 404 error page that can be reached by typing the path directly into the address bar. Our error page is using the same style as the rest of the site, and clearly having cats around a web server would most likely result in hard drives being knocked onto the floor. We need the server to be configured to show this page if somebody follows a bad link or types some random locations directly into the address bar. We'll be using the administrative GUI backend to configure the custom error page. In this particular demonstration, I've already created a working listener and a virtual host. Going to the virtual host and picking the General tab, we can scroll down to find the Customize Error Page section and click Add. This will bring us to a place where we can select the type of error we'd like to customize, which in this case is a 404 not found. For the URL, we will type /404.html. After hitting save, we will see a warning that a graceful restart is now required to reload the configuration. Once the page refreshes, we can return to our website and then try clicking on the loyalty points, which we know was bad, and now we see the customized error handling page. If we type anything else into the URL, we also get exactly the same page. Although I don't want to spend very much time talking about Apache in this particular video, one of the things that's slightly different between OpenLiteSpeed and Apache has to do with if you leave out the leading slash on the address for the 404 custom page. Instead of showing the message 404 like it does in Apache, it still actually shows the actual page itself. We can also put a full URL to any website on the internet. This causes a redirect to the new site. Let's look one more time at the customized error pages, and you will notice that there are actually many types of errors that you can provide custom pages for. For example, perhaps you would like to have the internal server error, the bad request, or the method not allowed to include some specialized HTML rather than relying on the plain default page that shows up by the server.